Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, May 12th, 2001, 8 am. Service is first and foremost about love and surrender to Master's will. The mindset of exercising power and being domineering over others is to be banished. It is harmful, and in the context of our spiritual work, it can only harm whoever has it. The love is to serve while stepping aside, that is, by trying to iron out the egotistic tendencies that can emerge and defeat the targeted purpose. All our aspirants desire to serve. This is very commendable. We have already expressed ourselves on this issue. Many manifestations of goodwill are recorded at all levels of our mission. This is what enables it to exist materially. While growing, our organization must be structured to operate effectively. Various tasks are performed by Abhyasis who do not spare their efforts. We could not progress without this network being put in place, and which makes the whole coherent. At the individual level, the question is, how does each one operate? This depends on one's personal behavior and underlying spirit as far as service is concerned. Nothing is perfect in this world, but it is advisable to examine oneself carefully and to ensure that this service doesn't do a disservice to the Abhyasi as far as the rest of his work is concerned. Vigilance in this aspect is desirable. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. My son is gaining in stature. It becomes difficult for him to deal with all the tasks that fall to him in material terms. There comes a time in this ascension when, as people say, it comes close to the impossible to keep both feet on the ground. In spite of the years that go by, hyperactive is still the word that characterizes him, my son. Strength appears in him, which never fails to amaze me. He needs such a defense to manage the situation. This rest is a Himalayan task, and it makes him look at himself. Although he does not have a precise vision of the future, he must realize the importance of his mission and become aware of his role on the bridge between both the worlds. The future one is not easy to conceive of, even for the master of his level. He can imagine it in broad outline, but the vision of what our way will be in several centuries cannot be assessed from the human stage. We do not want to make further predictions that could appear utopian, and yet the desirable plan is in place and it will materialize. Let the things run their course, and let us continue to advance at the pace of today's human beings. A profound mutation is in the making. It is going on silently but irreversibly, inevitably. We cannot accelerate the movement but only back the movement. That is the way it goes. And my son is one of the elected guides in this framework. Babuji Maharaj.